How to add admin on Telegram mobile app. So let's go. Open the app. Open your group. And then click here on the name of the group or on the profile picture. As you can see, there's an option for administrators. Click on it. And then click Add Admin. Now you need to search for your admin. Martin will be my admin. Click on it. And now you can give him permissions. So what can this admin do? So maybe he can also add new admins. But it's up to you how you're gonna do it. Okay? And then click here. And that's it. So you are the owner and this is your admin. This is how can you add admin on Telegram mobile app. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel. And see you later. Goodbye.